going down the Soesdijk Highway, then the Linden Highway, whichever, and check out a sawmill someplace in the bush. Hope we have fun. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So much construction going on here. The entire place seems like a humongous construction zone.
Look at those there.
The truck just fell over. Guy track.
No post this place. It is supposed to be a post.
Little diamond. Enjoy your new home and comfort. Are they building a scheme there or something?
What's the induction there? Old Frontier induction.
New construction. Guyana needs a lot of contractors, a lot of carpenters, a lot of people who got skills that can build.
Now you see it every day. Just before you guys come, every day rain. Hard rain, flooded.
Is this, what is this?
Diamond Estate.
Diamond Estate. Still in operation, correct?
Yeah. And then the cane.
On the other side, what are they building on the other side?
That's a tire. This is a tire.
What?
Tire. Car tire.
They manufacturing tires?
No. They're selling. They've been bought and selling.
Trucks working on repairing the Linden Highway here, a whole line of them. Probably to fetch away what's being scooped off.
No, they will raise the road like here.
Okay.
Let's crush around.
Taking the road higher. Wow. Linden Highway being repaired. And then in a matter of few months or year, you'll have roads going all the way to Linden
Don't let them.
and Letton and a lot of other places in the interior. This is a new part of the highway. And then we're back to an old part.
Finish very fast, man. Giant up there.
Yeah, that looks like a half a mile.
How much? Half a mile.
No,
10
we do.
seconds driving the body. What would you?
Oh, you're driving like 97 miles an hour. I gotta cover my screw ups.
Using the whole tires for holding back your sand.
Yeah, they were supposed to full sand.
And this you utilize everything, right?
Really don't know exactly.
Kuru Village.
The beginning was Kururu.
See, partner in the back, they got the word guide. So here's my cousin. This guy has a sawmill out on, what's this neighborhood called?
Yarakabra.
What?
Yarakabra.
Jabakaba?
Yarakabra.
Yarokabra. And they do lumbering up here. So this is like a cross cut? No. What you call? Oh yeah? Yeah, but he only cuts one board at a time. I used to cut like oh yeah, he makes him something else. Yeah. Yeah.
The same more.
But it goes faster?
Yeah, you're gonna
See the saw in operation. Looks like they're making that's like a 6x2, right? I remember with like that greenheart? Yeah, you don't recognize it, but still. Some things you could never forget. So this is how you get your wood to build your houses, boats, or whatever else. No more use of gas saw. That's an easy job to sit up there and do that. Except you gotta sit all day. Yeah. Yeah. And that's, you don't have to clamp that here, you just sit there. Yeah, because the blade, I guess, is so thin. It just goes through it. It's all of this kind. And then there you got like a 6x6. So is he gonna cut the whole lot like that? So that's 2x6. What do they make with that? Oh, okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. So how long is this operation going on up here? Yeah. So you spend your whole week up here? You still live on the same place? Oh, okay. So when you're gonna be there? You're gonna be there? That's how you get your 2x6 greenheart plank. You make your rosters and whatever else. Plain lumber. That's an edger. This is the plane that smooths the lumber. Looks like 2x6. Oh yeah?
Where's Ham? Where did you find? Come build in here.
Yeah. Operating the saw. What does this do? Look. What does that do? So this is the Yarracabra Sawmill that's owned by Mr. Rahman. Oh, that's to get cured. Okay. So it's being cured for you to make furniture. Yeah. And these are your employees' residents. So they stay here all week?
Yeah, I'll live here.
Okay.
I'll live right here.
So they don't want to go to town sometimes?
Never go in the weekend now.
Okay.
You know, you got the road there. You're gone in already. In the half. All I got here. Yeah, but never run, not heavy power.
You're not running, you're just a
If you're going to go a little
domestic.
light on the domestic, they're not heavy power.
That's the manager's house, owner's house, and all the employees' residents. This is nice because
Everywhere you're going, guys, it's the same.
Yeah, well,
same.
I'm not killing myself, I'm not killing myself up.
there's only so much you need in life.
What is how young you look like? You're 67, you're 60.
No, not 67, 69.
69.
That's
You
okay.
get some good ones.
Uh,
But nothing you found again.
You gotta learn the language, man.
Quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Go there, man, remember, you can when you close down there.
Oh yeah?
The main man, remember, after you can
You don't have Richie and Baba Jones, so.
Yeah, man, you're old now.
Uh-huh.
Chicken that can there.
Who's chicken?
What's it get in New York?
Oh.
You have a chicken bite? Moti and brother and friend.
Oh yeah.
Grandpa's son.
I don't know him.
Yeah,
Must
you
be
know,
brothers
you
like
know
that.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah, brother's friend.
I left in 74.
Yeah, you know,
Bigger operation than the. What's your sawmill name? Oh, just Yarracabra.
Yeah, people like that on. Quiet.
I would imagine. So leaving the Yarracabra or Yarracabra sawmill. That name is so hard to pronounce.
Yarracabra.
It's I don't know if a chupacabra or Yarracabra. What is it, Mark?
Yarracabra.
Yarracabra sawmill. That was a good tour. And this place has a lot of sawmills up here, man. See the house? That's Green Heart. Look at that. You're wasting Green Heart on something like that. Should I use more or something?
You use Mora or
it's the same thing.
Green Heart is good wood. You know, that stuff is like forever. Guy cutting the wood and I look at it and say, oh, you cut them 2x6? Watch, he said, you remember them board measurement? We grew up with that as kids. Employees resident at the sawmills, at Mahesh Sawmill. So back on the highway towards the residence where we're staying after finishing the sawmill tour. So back on the highway towards the residence where we're staying after finishing the sawmill tour. So, finishing the sawmill tour. guess I'll bring this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And most of all, guys, be good to each other, be good to yourselves, stay safe, and see you guys on another video.